I recommend a top-mounted integrated air conditioner. It's very easy to install. Our top-mounted air conditioner adopts a streamlined design, which is very beautiful and very stylish. The length of this air conditioner is 72 centimeters, 66 centimeters wide, and 16 centimeters high. The weight of this air conditioner is about 25 kilograms. And when this air conditioner is produced, we directly add the refrigerant. Yes, the installation of this air conditioner is very simple. Just connect the positive and negative poles directly. This air conditioner has multiple colors for us to choose. There are many colors, such as white, red, orange, blue, etc. The voltage of this air conditioner is 12 or 24 volts, used for trucks and vans.